prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. I thank.
Who gives this woman to this man beside us?
Her mother and I. Remington. A few years ago, Rose gave me a key for her heart, and she wanted me to give it to her future husband. And I present this key to you today, to her heart.
I get to love you.
To love and to cherish her.
Thing that I
God bless you.
I get to love you. It's a promise I make and you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Do you believe that marriage is an ordinance instituted of God and confirmed and sanctioned by Jesus Christ, and that therefore you must enter into it in the fear of God?
I do.
The God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, the God of Jacob be with you and bless this union abundantly through Jesus Christ our Lord, and what God hath joined together, let not man put asunder. Go forth as husband and wife, live in peace, fear God, and keep his commandments. Amen. You are now husband and wife. It's my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Remington Troyer.
Dear Rose, today's the day that you married your best friend, Remington. I can't believe that this day is actually here. It wasn't that long ago that we were little girls playing with our dolls and spending ridiculous amount of hours washing dishes and cleaning the house. One of my favorite memories with you is the night that we stayed up until like really early in the morning making like pointless videos and just being dumb. And thankfully that phone that we did all those weird videos on got lost because my brothers and dad threatened to show them at our weddings. So thankfully God let them get lost. I'm guessing that our husbands would probably have second thoughts about us. I just want you to know, Rose, how proud I am of the woman that you have become. Thank you for always being there for me when I needed a shoulder to cry on. Thank you for always having a listening ear when I needed to talk. Thank you for just being you, Rose, and letting your light shine. Also, Remington, welcome to the family. And thank you for choosing Rose and seeing her beautiful heart. I wish you guys the absolute best in your marriage and have lots of fun on your honeymoon.
I am Rem's cousin. Hi. I'm 3 months, or wait, a month younger than him and like 5 inches shorter. So I don't know what happened there. That sucks. No, me and Rem have done everything together. Basketball, football, snowboarding, sorry, weddings now. He's cried at my wedding, and now I'm crying at his, so that's great. Literally so many things, and it's been a blast, Rem, and sorry. Yeah, I'm so excited for you guys. We've done, I can't really think of any one story to say or something hilarious. I think we've run out in the snow, like either in our boxers or almost boxers a lot of times. Yeah. So that's kind of my segue into Remington is super comfortable in not a lot of clothes. So just a heads up. Mentally prepare for that. It'll happen.
Sorry, we forgot the red shirt.